the heck?
Comment. Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is going on YouTube, right?
Yeah. Idiot.
What? I'm eating. Kevin, stop acting like that. You're just acting like that because you want people to think you're cool on the camera. I'm not.
Who, me?
No, my brother. What the? He said that a lot. Put it down. Shut up.
Look at that mold. No. Look at those Nikes.
Oh, you should have made it a video at Jurassic Quest.
Oh yeah. Hello, Manolo. That cone, though. That cone, oh my. Whatever this is. Whatever.
Free. I got halfway through it. Wow, I got cherry flavor.